Let's say that you have a hard requirement which you need to make sure is satisfied. Many organizations will manually test requirements. They will have a test case similar to an issue, which they will mark as satisfied once it has been tested. In GitLab, you have the ability to automate the completion of requirements and mark them as satisfied or failed by linking them to unit tests. Let's say you want to create a requirement to make a button green. You can add rich text editing for tasks if you want to add context to how the requirement should behave. As you can see, now, this button should be green is not marked as satisfied. Let's say you wanted to make the button for the account creation form green. You can create a merge request directly from this issue. This will create a merge request, which will start a branch that automatically copies the metadata over. And GitLab automatically relates the merge request, the work that will be delivering this issue, to the issue. This is a helpful way to automate the flow from design to planning down to your merge request level. To satisfy the requirement, we can go and open the Web IDE, which is our browser-based code env, and open the actual project. We're going to copy and paste this text into a new file, which we'll name button.test.tsx. Now we're going to intentionally make this fail and commit these changes. Now, when we go back to our merge request, it's in draft, so we'll wait for the pipelines to run. We can open the pipeline to run the test, and if the test passes, it will go ahead and build. We can also open up the test if the test fails. You can go and look at our actual test output here to see what failed. We can see that the status of the test is failed. This test is linked to requirement 3, so if you look at the requirements list now, you'll see that the test has failed. This is a great way to dynamically and automatically link your requirements directly to the test cases in your pipeline. If we want to fix what we just did, we can open up the Web IDE to troubleshoot and open the file that's failing. We can then make changes to ensure the test will pass in this case. As soon as it's done running, GitLab will mark the requirement as satisfied. When we go back into that merge request, we can now see that the pipeline has passed. And if we go back to requirements, we'll see that it is now marked as satisfied.